Thanks for joining me today in this printer demonstration video of the LaserJet Series 2. This series of printer was very significant in the progress of laser printer technology back in the late 80s. The LaserJet Series 2 was manufactured from 1987 to 1990. And it was based on the Canon the Canon SX engine. Hewlett-Packard and Canon have been partners with laser printers for many years, from the 1984 from the original LaserJet. So yeah, I'll do a demonstration video, and I'll go over the features of it. Well, as you can see, this LaserJet's very good condition for its age. This particular unit was manufactured in February 1988, which makes it over 30 years old, and it's in still relatively good shape. This machine has been regularly used since 2011. But it was installed. I've had this machine since 2003, but it's been been used on and off since that time. So yeah. So here you can see this machine's pretty well preserved to near museum quality. So yeah, it's a very good unit, and it does about 8 pages per minute, depending on the complexity of the print job. Now I'll do a standard font printout. Turn that back on and turn it off, and you get a relatively straightforward output. You get a pretty good output to a machine of this age. The cartridge system is all integrated. So all the printing processes that does all the actual image formation is actually in one cartridge. And I'll open up the machine and I'll show you that concept. Now, here you have got, that is the fuser unit of the machine. That is the fuser unit. Generally these printers used to have issues with 50 service, and this machine does have the issue sometimes too. When it's cold, you have to turn it on a few times until you see this lamp. Actual fact, the machine's in relatively good mechanical condition for its age. This machine has done over 1,000 impressions over its life, which is not many at all. This is the toner cartridge that I'll tell you. All the printing processes that put the printout onto the page is all in this one unit here. So pretty much every time you change the toner, you change the entire print. The things that wear out in printing is in this. So you've got the wiper blade, you've got the drum, and you've got the transfer corona and the doctor blade inside there. So you've got the drum, transfer corona, the wiper blade, doctor blade, all the things that come that do with the actual printing is all in this one unit. And the design of this has basically remained unchanged in 30 years. You've basically pretty much when you put in your cartridge in, you're pretty much putting a brand new print engine, pretty much, and that is why I have been preferred LaserJets for over 18 years, since 2000. Now you would know a machine of 30 years old, and it's still got the ability to print up good quality output. Is just amazing for a machine of this age. And you got really, even an old laser printer, you can still run. You can still, if you want to use it for text, it's absolutely perfect. The age of the machine doesn't really matter. It's the age of the toner cartridge and the fuser, and of course the pickup rollers and all that. But that's pretty much it. You can also use this model printer for modern operating systems. Now I'll just run a test page from a modern computer using a modern operating system. All I need to do is get in the control panel. And click on printer properties, basically. There you go, it's accepting a job. How this machine has been set up is that I've actually got a network. I've got a network box on the side of it, which is connected straight to the power, which is connected to Ethernet. It's called a JetDirect EX, and that's how I've got it connected up to the network using a modern operating system. And as you can see, that's what the output is. I've actually got it through a server, and pretty much that's pretty much me printing it up from Windows 10. The down, but the Hewlett Packard back in the late 80s had a lot of trouble designing this control panel here. It was designed for ease of use, much like using a video cassette recorder. Now you can press the button here, you click on menu, and you can do all the configuration. So if you want to do many copies, you can do up to 99 copies on one run, which is pretty good for a copier. And then you can, if you want to do eight copies, you just press enter. And if I could demonstrate that using the test page feature, now if I could demonstrate that using the test page feature, hopefully eight copies will come out. Now let's see, right? Printing test. Only one copy came out. Now the page count of this machine is as follows. That mount there, 114,595 copies, which is pretty low use. And look at the sharpness of that text from a 30-year-old machine. It is simply amazing. But the proof of the pudding is that's the testament. That's the testament of the quality of these early Canon engines were of HP. Canon HP Canon print engines, early Canon print engines. Remember, this machine was built back in 1988, and it's still perfectly running good after all this time. It is absolutely amazing.